Hello, how you doing? This is Serge DeHady with Effective Tax Solution as your dreaded CPA. And today I'm making this video and it is titled Maintenance of Your Finances. And this video is pretty much about knowing where you are with your business and with your finances. It's just like with your health. You have to make sure that you go to the doctor so you can get a spot check about where your health is at the current date. And then, after that, your doctor tells you, okay, you might be low on vitamin B, vitamin D, or whatnot. So they put you on a plan to follow so that you can bring your levels to the normal level. And then after you do those things, you do some assessment of your eating habits, and your health plan, your exercising or whatnot. And then you come back to the doctor again, and your doctor tells you, okay, you did everything that you were supposed to do, and now your health is in check. Here's the A for your effort. So that's the same thing with running your business. Periodically, you're going to have to file or create some statements for you to follow. And the basic financial statements for any business is a balance sheet, an income statement, statement of cash flow, and a statement of owner's equity. And each of these statements gives you, the owner, and other people who are invested in your company, information about how your business is performing. And then, based on that information, you can make some assessments about, okay, we're performing weak in this area, or we're performing strong in this area. So maybe we can use this information to, increase our income or decrease some of our sales in our budget. So with a good understanding of this information from these financial statements, you can be able to make the proper adjustments and proper best business decisions for your operations to run properly in the long run. And again, I just want to remind you, just like going to the doctor, they give you a couple tests to take and they give you a feedback about how your health is performing. These statements here, the balance sheet, the income statement, the statement of cash flows, and the statement of owner equity, gives you, the owner and your stakeholders, information of how your business is performing. So that is concluding our video for today. I'm your dreaded CPA with Effective Tax Solution, Serge DeHady. Y'all have a great week out there. All right? If you have any questions, you can leave a message at the bottom. I'll be sure to get back to you.